Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve Bluetooth not showing the problem. First of all, open up the settings app on your phone. Then click to open the Bluetooth from the settings. First, turn the Bluetooth off and then turn it on again. You will get the available devices here and you will see that you are still unable to see it. Tap on this question mark to get help. Then select your device type that you are unable to see. After that, scroll down and tap on headphones or speakers devices. Now check out the process to connect the Bluetooth headphone devices. Then click on wearable device to connect the wearable device. You need to download the app that accompanies your wearable. Then open the app. Then pair it with the wearable as prompted. If you are still having the problem, then make sure the headphones or speakers are charged and in range of 10 meters. Then press and hold the power button or function button until the red and blue lights flash alternately. Search for the devices on your phone or tablet and pair it with it. If your phone or tablet is already connected to a Bluetooth device, disconnect it first. Also, unpair the headphones or speakers if they are already paired with another device. After that, you'll be able to see the device and connect it. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.